Cash App curious? Here's how to get started. Even your grandma can do it. Upbeat intro music fades. Host, ever wished there was a way to send money to a friend as easily as texting them a meme? Splitting the bill at dinner a total nightmare? Well, my friends, there's an app for that, literally. Cash App has become a game changer for sending, receiving, and even investing your money. But maybe you're new to the whole money app scene and feeling a little overwhelmed. Fear not, financial friends. Today's video is your one-stop shop for conquering Cash App. We'll walk you through the entire registration process, step by step, so you can be a Cash App pro in no time. The rise of the money app, why Cash App? Before we dive in, let's chat for a sec about why Cash App is such a popular choice. Remember the days of scribbling down IOUs or awkwardly waiting for someone to pay you back? Cash App eliminates that whole awkward exchange. It's like having a digital piggy bank that you and your friends can all contribute to, perfect for splitting rent, concert tickets, or even that surprise birthday gift for your BFF. Plus, Cash App lets you invest your spare change with a feature called Cash Boost. Every little bit counts, right? Alright, let's get registered. Now that you're sold on the magic of Cash App, let's get you registered. The first thing you'll need is your smartphone. Yep, that trusty device in your pocket is about to become your financial sidekick. Head over to your app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for Cash App. Once you find the iconic green square logo, hit download and get ready to join the cashless revolution. Step 1. Hello Cash App. Once the app is downloaded and launched, you'll be greeted by a friendly welcome screen. Here's where the fun begins. Cash App gives you the option to sign up using your phone number or email address. Choose whichever method feels most comfortable for you. Don't worry, they won't spam you, they just need a way to verify your account. Step 2. Verification code, your ticket to Cash App land. After entering your phone number or email, Cash App will send you a verification code. This is like your secret handshake to enter the world of digital payments. Keep your eyes peeled for a text message or email with a unique code. Once you have it, simply enter it in the designated space on the app. Easy peasy. Step 3. Name, fame, and cash tag. Now comes the exciting part, creating your unique identity within Cash App. Cash App asks you to enter your first and last name. This is pretty straightforward, but next comes the fun part, creating your $cash tag. Think of this as your personalized username for Cash App. It'll be how your friends find you and send you money. Keep it catchy, memorable, and something that reflects your personality. Pro tip, emojis are allowed, but use them wisely. Step 4. Linking the bank, your financial bridge. Alright, you're almost there. Now comes the part where you connect Cash App to your bank account. This allows you to send and receive money seamlessly. Don't worry, Cash App uses secure encryption technology to keep your information safe. If you're feeling hesitant about linking your bank account right away, that's totally okay. You can still use Cash App to receive money without it. Just skip this step for now and come back to it whenever you're comfortable. Step 5. Conquering Cash App, you did it. Congratulations! You've officially registered for Cash App and are ready to dive into the world of digital transactions. The app will take you through a quick intro explaining its features, but don't worry, we'll be making plenty of future videos to show you exactly how to use Cash App like a pro. Cash App Mastery, coming soon. In the coming weeks, we'll be dropping videos on all things Cash App. We'll show you how to send and receive money, explore the investing features, and even cover some cool hacks to get the most out of your Cash App experience. So, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy Cash Apping.